hiking a loop around the city in the rain, racing and discovering spectacular waterfalls. This is Drone and Fern. So welcome to the final episode of Hike Your Hike. DJ will be the cameraman today, and again we have Stefan with us. Where are we going today?
Hi, good morning. So we start from Tseung Kwan. We will end up in Tseung Kwan again. So what I propose to do is just to make a loop around Tseung Kwan. There's some nice mountains around, and you'll see scenery will be fine. Depend on the sky.
Cool. Because the sky is now like overcast with clouds, so we better get going now, right?
Yes, better start now.
Let's go.
George is gonna love this one. Let's go.
In this series of Drone and Fern, we're hiking your hike. Over the past 5 years, we have covered more than 50 Hong Kong hikes, but there are lots more hidden gems that we need you to help us find. So if you know a great hike not on our map, please let us know with a comment down below. In the final episode of the series, we're doing a big loop in Tseung Kwan district. We start the hike at Tseung Kwan MTR station, walk along the waterfront park, and climb up to Razor Hill from Duckling Hill. It's a steep climb on a rainy day, and Stefan hikes real fast, but time to show him who's boss. Ah! Stefan, I will challenge you a race to the top.
Challenge accepted.
Right, I think this is the starting point. Now, just to make it fair, Stefan, I'm afraid I'm going to have to give you a bit of weight to carry.
Stefan, you watch superhero movie?
Not really, but
You know there's a guy who runs really fast. That's me.
okay. That's the one in the.
We'll find out.
Incredibles.
Okay, are you ready, guys?
Wait.
So we're having a race to the top just over here of Razor Hill. It's called Razor because of this ledge that we're walking across right now, the ridge which is razor sharp. We'd have amazing views if it wasn't the fact it's raining.
It looks like a Tortue Ninja.
Okay, here we go for the race. Up to Razor Hill. Are you ready? Are you steady? Go! And we're off. And it looks like Stefan's taken an early lead with George struggling on the pebbles a little bit. But George is coming back. There's a comeback. I can see him go. Now Stefan's going up. Oh, he's taking the steps fast. Oh, and George is right behind. Are we seeing a new George? Is this a new reinvented George? Oh, geez, he should have raced me because he was beating me. Wow, well done, George.
I ran out of energy.
Unfortunately, George, this is not the top. And we're here at the top. And the winner is Stefan. Well done. And coming right behind him. Wait, let me do that again. And coming right behind him. Okay,
Do it again.
one more time. And coming right behind him. Where are you, George? Coming right behind him in a nail-biting finish is George. Do you regret taking on that challenge, George?
No. Go on, George. Go.
Come on, let's get you to the top.
I won the race.
You
I
want?
will edit it in the video. Once we reach the top, the University of Science and Technology is in view with a peak of Silver Strand Beach in the fog. It starts to rain again soon after we reach the top, so we take a steep and slippery shortcut straight down to Clearwater Bay Road. Oh, hallelujah.
Come on, George.
Here's a demonstration of how a professional makes use of a rope to get down. And for comparison, this is how I do it.
Come on, George.
We followed the path to Jianlanshu village and joined the Wilson Trail Session 3 to the Little Hawaii Trail. Aloha, my friends! It looks more like where the hobbits live than Hawaii, but the view is still stunning. We followed the path down, walking past some waterfalls, and thanks to the rain, the streams are in full flow. We continued along the path to Lamtin, passing through temples built into the hills. At this point, I have a tough decision to make.
So either we make the full loop by the Wilson Trail
Yeah.
and come back down this way, go to the seaside. Difficult to show from here.
Okay.
You can't see much. Otherwise, you just take a shortcut.
This is a shortcut.
It is.
Go.
Let's go.
What? What?
Isn't this a shortcut?
This is a shortcut. You want a shortcut?
From here, we walked through the Chinese permanent cemetery and headed down to where the hike begins. So that's the end of this episode. It's also the final episode of the Hike Your High series. We did a big circus around the Tseung Kwan area.
Yes, nice loop. We've been using different trails, Tseung Kwan Trail, Little Hawaii Trail, Wilson Trail, Lantin Trail. And you can say we've been lucky with the weather. We didn't suffer the heat.
Yeah. Thanks to the rain, we see some really spectacular waterfalls today. And also, finally, big shout out to Kylas. Thank you for the sponsor. We enjoy using your stuff. And for now, my name is George.
I'm Stefan.
I'm DJ in the rain, and this is Tseung Kwan.
No, I'm so sick of these lies. You said that was a warm-up, and you said it's gonna be short. I don't trust you two. I don't trust you two.